Method to mark Punjabi pant. The formula is A1 D F G E. You can take these measurements from the notes that have been given to you. Now let me see method to mark the Punjabi pant. Paste two charts by sellotapes. Paste two charts by sellotapes. Paste the two charts by sellotapes. Paste two charts by sellotapes. Now write down the required measurements to draw the Punjabi pant bottom side. A1 D F G and E. A1 is 35 and half and D is 8 and F is 18 and half. It's thigh loose. Then G is bottom loose 7 and the E thigh hole width 1 inch. First draw a straight line. Draw a straight line and name the line as 1. Draw a straight line and name the line as 1. At every pieces we will draw a straight line to avoid the extra uneven pieces. Now draw a straight line and name it as 1. From the one line is half inch distance. From that line take 1.5 inch for bottom canvas purpose. Bottom canvas folding purpose. Take 1 inch of 1.5 inch and draw a straight line. Draw a straight line. The first line is 1 and the second line is 2. From the line 2 take the A1 bottom piece height measurement. A1 34.5 plus half inch for stitching allowance. Half inch for top side stitching allowance. Take half inch and draw a straight line. Draw a straight line and draw a straight line. Now mention the name. Next D, thigh hole inside height. Thigh hole inside height. Take that measurement from the third line and draw a straight line. From 3 towards bottom take thigh hole inside height D measurement and name it as 4. Name the line as 4. From the line 4 towards downside, take 1.5 inch and draw a line. Take 1.5 inch and draw a line. Take 1.5 inch and draw a line. And name it as 5. From the 5, take the thigh loose measurement. From the mark 5, take the thigh loose measurement 18.5 and name it as 6. Name the measurement as 6. And the bottom, the line 2, take the bottom loose F measurement. From the line 2, name it as 7. The top thigh loose point is named 6 and the bottom loose part is named 7. Name 6 and 7. Now join the marks from 6 to 7 with the help of scales. Use 2 scales to join these portions. Join from 6 to 7. The line should be drawn from the 4th line. As the bend goes, draw the line from the 4th line. On the bottom side, take cross piece. From 7 to the bottom, take cross piece. Bottom, take cross piece. Now from the mark 9, take 1 inch towards inside. The 1 inch is thigh hole width measurement. The 1 inch is thigh hole width measurement. Take the straight line towards the top 3rd line. Now mark the bend. Mark a bend till to the mark 9. Then from the mark 9, take 0.75 inch for stitching allowance and draw the scale same shape like this, same shape. And the bottom from 7th line, there should be cross. Now the drawing have been finished. Punjabi pant bottom part marking position drawing have been finished. Now the after cutting Punjabi pant bottom piece, now the belt part is required. The formula is B2 and C. B2 means belt piece height and the C is belt piece height and the B2 is belt piece width divided by 4 measurement. Now the B2 measurement is the C measurement is 6.5. C measurement is 6.5. B2 measurement is written. First draw a straight line for folding purpose. Then take the B2 measurement 11.5 or 10.5, whatever will be the B2 measurement. Take that measurement and then take half inch for stitching purpose. Name it as 2 and 3. Draw a straight line 2 and 3. Straight line 2 and 3. Now the width have been completed. Next, for height purpose, first take half inch. Take the half inch. Take the half inch. From the half inch point, take the C belt piece height measurement. From the half inch point, take the belt piece height measurement, and then from that point take 1.5 inch for top side rope portion. Take 1.5 inch for top side rope portion. 1 inch for rope and half inch for stitching. Now the belt piece have been ready. This side should be placed at the time of cutting in the folding side. Now the belt part and the bottom part cutting have been prepared. This is belt part, other side is bottom part. After cutting pants bottom part and belt part, method to stitch. Fold the cloth into two. Place the folding side the belt piece, and the bottom piece should be at the folding side. Mark it down the fabric. Now the marks have been completed. Cut it down the fabrics. Cut it down the fabric. Cut it down the fabric. Now paste the canvas. Canvas height can be 1 inch. Place the canvas and fuse it with iron. Fuse it with iron. Fuse it with iron. Now first make the bottom half inch folding stitch. Make the half inch folding stitch. On the both side. Take half inch folding stitch. half-inch folding stitch. Now fold the cloth, in the fabric and press it with the finger. Now make the stitch at the top side. At each and every folding, before stitching, press it with the fingers so that finishing will be perfect and good. Now fold the cloth, and make the stitch. Make the stitch. We can on the bottom side make the stitch. Bottom side make the stitch. Bottom side make the stitch. Now after making the continuous stitch in the bottom canvas part, now make the reverse stitch and place the stitch. Make the reverse stitch and place the stitch. Again we are making the stitch. This is at joining the bows. Now we have made the stitch. Next fold the center. This is center. This is center piece. Now join the belt piece. Join the both belt piece. And make the stitch, over stitch. Join the both belt pieces. With one another. Join both the belt pieces with one another. Join both the belt pieces with one another. Now we are joining the belt pieces. Now in the belt piece we are getting 4 center parts. These centers should be made equal with the bottom pieces also. These centers should be made equal. Now making the pleats, place the belt piece in the bottom side and the bottom part in the top side. Make a mark of 3 inches. This 3 inches is normal for every measurement. After 3 inches only the pleats should be made. Make the pleats in the one by one. till the center of the bottom part and the belt part should be equal. Make the continuous pleats. Make the continuous pleats till the center. Now you are seeing the center part. The both centers should be equal. The bottom part and the top part centers should be equal. The pleats can be kept by any side, but the center should not change at the time of stitching. This pleat method is common for all type of models, all type of Punjabi, Patiala, gathering, all types. The pleat is common, the belt piece is common, only the cutting and looses are different. The next, from the center, join the next pieces. Join the next piece. Join the next piece. Join the next continuous pieces and make the center. Make the pleats equal measurements. For the first half, if you are keeping 5 pleats, then on the all the equal 4 parts should maintain the 5 pleats only. Stitch it over. Stitch it over the cloth. Stitch it over the cloth. Now stitch it very slowly. Now stitch it very slowly. Now stitch it very slowly. Stitch it very slowly. Then make the pleats continuously. Make the pleats continuously. Now finishing the pleats. Now finishing the pleats stitching. Now in the top side, make the pressing stitch. Top side, make the pressing stitch. Make the pressing stitch. Make the pressing stitch. Make the pressing stitch. If you have any overlock machine, you can make this overlock or interlock, and after that you can make this stitch also. Otherwise you can make this stitch as plain. Stitch along with the piece. stitch along with the piece. Now from the center take a reverse stitch. The 1.5 inches open part for belt piece, the center should be equal, the belt piece center should be equal. Stitch it along with the points, stitch it along with the points. Now take the reverse stitch. Take the reverse stitch. Now the stitching have been completed for the bent portion. On the top side, fold the stitch, double fold for rope part. Make this stitch as square. Make the stitch as square. Now the finishing has been completed, open finishing. Now make the stitch half-inch folding stitch. Now make the half-inch folding stitch. Make the half-inch folding stitch. Make the half-inch folding stitch. Make half-inch folding stitch. Now take 1 inch, mark 1 inch. This is for rope purpose. This is for rope purpose. Make the reverse stitch and start the stitches. Make the reverse stitch and start the stitches. Make the stitch slowly. The 1 inch gap should be maintained till to the last of the other side. 1 inch gap should be maintained till to the last of the another side. Now make the stitch equally and make a reverse stitch. Now stitch at the bottom side. Fold the cloth into two and stitch the leg side. Stitch the leg side slowly. Now this is the finishing stage. While stitching this, the center of both sides should be equal. Now we are seeing the center stitching portion. The center stitch should be equal. Finish the stitch while this method. This is the last stitch. We can make another stitch on the over also for gripness.